Hey there guys, I'm Kat with Canines and Sunshine Dog Training, and today I've got with me Adalia, who is part of a very special group of golden doodles. She is here alongside 3 other golden doodles from the same litter, let alone breeder, which is the coolest thing ever, right? And so this group is really special because it's going to be a lot of nature versus nurture, right? To see how these dogs progress through their training. So we're very excited to see how that goes. But let's go ahead and see how they do. All right. As you can tell, we've got our work cut out for us. Go ahead and follow along with our group's progress.
All right, everyone, we're gonna stay break on 3. 1, 2, 3. Break, break, break. Yeah, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Break, break, break. Right here, guys, right here. Come on. You go, guys. Right here, Hartley.